By 2026, AI could erase 2 million manufacturing jobs worldwide. But is this the end of the line or a new beginning? Today, we unpack the impact and how to adapt with Zen resilience.
Welcome back to Future of Work in the AI Age, our series tackling AI's challenges with practical Zen strategies. In Episode 3, we discussed the specialist-generalist shift. Now, Episode 4 zooms in on manufacturing, one of the hardest-hit sectors. If you're in industry or curious about automation, subscribe for more insights. Let's forge ahead. A joint study by Boston University and MIT forecasts 2 million U.S. manufacturing roles vanishing by 2026 due to AI and robotics. Globally, the International Federation of Robotics predicts 20 million industrial robots in use, up 30%. Why? Cost savings. AI boosts efficiency by 40% per McKinsey, reducing errors and downtime. But this isn't just numbers, it's livelihoods. The good news? With Zen approaches, workers can pivot to higher-value roles. Let's examine the key areas where AI is transforming manufacturing, with Zen tips to navigate the change. First, assembly and production lines. Robots like those from Boston Dynamics handle repetitive tasks with 99% accuracy. Impact: 1.5 million line worker jobs at risk. Example: automotive plants. Ford's AI lines cut assembly time by 20%. Zen tip: shift to oversight. Practice daily brain reset meditation for 10 minutes to enhance focus on monitoring, turning routine into strategic. Next, quality control and inspection. AI vision systems detect defects faster than humans. Deloitte reports 25% reduction in QC roles. Example: electronics. Samsung's AI catches flaws in milliseconds. Reason? No fatigue. Zen tip: build critical thinking. Use the Stoic reflection. Journal nightly on adaptations, beating anxiety with purpose. Third, supply chain and logistics. AI optimizes inventory and routing. Gartner predicts 30% logistics jobs automated. Example: Amazon warehouses. Drones and algorithms handle picking. Zen tip: embrace generalism. Skill stacking via meta-learning. Use AI tools to learn logistics planning with mindful breaks for clarity. Fourth, maintenance and repair. Predictive AI, like IBM's Maximo, prevents breakdowns. Impact: 200,000 technician roles evolve. Example: aerospace. Boeing's AI forecasts issues 30% better. Zen tip: foster adaptability. Digital detox 1 day weekly to reclaim human intuition for complex fixes. Fifth, design and prototyping. AI generates prototypes via tools like Autodesk. McKinsey, 15% design jobs shift. Example: fashion manufacturing. AI patterns cut waste. Zen tip: boost creativity. Do-nothing sessions to spark innovation beyond algorithms. Sixth, safety and compliance. AI monitors hazards in real time. OSHA data shows reduced accidents, but oversight roles change. Zen tip: enhance emotional intelligence. Nature walks to reset, improving team safety leadership. And finally, overall industry shift. From mass production to customized, AI enables flexibility, but demands human oversight. Zen tip: lifelong learning. 7-day AI news quit to focus on personal growth. Manufacturing's transformation is inevitable, but with Zen strategies, it's an opportunity to evolve. In our next episode, Customer Service in the AI Era, Bots versus Humans. What's your take on manufacturing's future? Comment below. Subscribe for Zen navigation through AI changes. New videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Stay resilient. See you next time.